Welcome back to Learn SKN, and today we have a quick video for you. Just a quick video to show this another free textbook that, like I said in the previous video about the free textbook, this is one that was handed out sometime last year during the height of COVID, so that persons can can better facilitate their online learning, or teachers facilitate their online teaching. So this time it's the information technology textbook, the Oxford, from Oxford. This one, the last one was the POB. Now this one is the Infotech, information technology textbook from Oxford. So I don't know if it's the recommended text for most of you guys, but it's still a textbook. It can still help. It still contains a lot of content that is relevant to today, because this one is from the new syllabus, right? From the new syllabus, the new IT syllabus. And so this one was published in 2019. So it's a relatively new textbook from the Oxford University Press. And so you have some of the same content that you would have in your syllabus or in your current textbook. You have your chapter 1, fundamentals of hardware and software, right down to, of course, chapter 12, programming and visual basics for applications. All right, so if you don't have a textbook, this will help you. If you have one, it can also be used as a supplementary text, so no problem with that one. So our next free textbook, the link is in the description below. Click the link, it should take you to a Google Drive, and you should be able to download this textbook. Also, we are trying a new initiative on the channel, just for some support on the channel, to get some support, where we have decided to take the completed past paper ones, the completed ones, that's the one with the answers selected already, package them, and we have uploaded them to a website where you can purchase them if you so desire for $2 individually, or you can get the full pack for about $5, right? The full pack contains the 2015, the 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, and the 2020 paper ones already completed, right? So I posted this on the web, on the channel, and so you can see the links here in the post. So for example, if you want to get the one with all 5-6 years, you click on this link and it will take you to a website where you can use PayPal and purchase it for just $5. Like I said, it's not a must, it's just something that's available. Also, I did a link for the blank questions, the blank paper ones. Some persons are saying they would prefer to have the blank one to work through it themselves before they watch the video, and so you have the blank ones available on this site also. So you go to the post section and you just click on the link, and that link should take you to the paper ones. As you can see, we are from 2011, 2012, 2013. These are the blank ones, the blank sheet that you can work with, right? So it's a zip file, so you'll have to download it, and if you're on the computer, you should have a default zip application, but on the phone you might need to download a zip application or to unzip the file, right? So in order to get them as one file, I put them in a zip folder, and you'll have to download maybe an app to get that done. You have to unzip them, right, and you have to extract them. So they are readily available. These are the blank ones, whereas these would be the ones that are completed, right? The ones that already have the markings and everything. So either way you study, if you want to study through the video, sure, it's available right there still. You want to take down the blank ones and then work it through and then go to the video, that's also an option. And if you want to just use the completed ones, print them out and just read them straight to memorize them, that's also an option too. Everybody know how to study differently, everybody know how to study best, so you pick your best, what's best for you, and you work on that. All right, so I'll try to upload the paper tools, but the problem with the paper tools is that most of them are part of a book that I bought, the 60 past paper booklet, and so you have all kind of copyright issues right there, so I can't just simply give it away, because that would be taking some money from CXC, so I can't really endorse piracy in that regard, right? But these ones are completed. If you want them, $2 each. If you want the completed ones, $5 each. So just in an effort to support the channel, we're doing good work here, so you may want a little support now and then. So you have a little $2, you can kick it all way to try to keep the channel going, keep the support going. All right, so that's it for now. So once again, I'll just showing you the free textbook. You have the free Infotech textbook that made available last year, and also if you want past papers that are completed, you can purchase them $2 each. Or if you want just the plain blank ones, you click the link and you go to the Google Drive and you download it, but you might need to get a zip extractor, right? Maybe WinZip or something like that. You might need to get one of those to get all of the paper ones. All right, so that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Subscribe to the channel. Support the channel. Exams are coming up. Use the resources on the channel to help you to ace those exams. All right, thanks for watching. Thanks for listening.